This electric fireplace is specially created for recessed mounting in walls. Its minimal black frame gives a room a sleek, modern look. This versatile fireplace also adds a cozy touch to a living room, bedroom, or office. The 42 inches fireplace comes with easy-to-follow instructions to help homeowners install the unit on their own. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Advanced features. The Sideline Elite 42 has 6 flame color options and 10 media color options that run independently, a thermostat from 68 to 88 degrees Fahrenheit, the ability to remember flame settings and be turned on by a light switch or smart device, 3 flame speeds, 5 flame, and fire bed intensity settings, can be plugged in or hardwired, and comes with a full log set, driftwood, and crystals. The minimal frame surround and large flame viewing emphasize the spectacular fire quality. Number 2. Realistic flame with 60 color combinations to create the cozy atmosphere of a traditional fireplace. This electronic unit emits authentic-looking flames that emulate a real fire. It has 60 color options, along with multiple intensity settings. With both its look and performance, Sideline Elite gives you the total package. Both the heat and flame settings can be operated through remote control. Batteries are not included. Number 3. Faux fire log, driftwood, and crystals included. This set includes faux fire logs and crystals to create an authentic feel. It operates on 1,500 watts. With a voltage of 120, it is recommended that this fireplace be positioned at least 8 inches below the ceiling. Avoid mounting it directly under a flat-screen television, as that may limit the heater's use. Number 4. 2 heat settings with thermostat, perfect for the cold seasons. The Touchstone Sideline features 2 heat settings, high and low. The thermostat goes from 68 to 88 degrees Fahrenheit. Heat vents are located in the upper front area. The heat level can be adjusted according to the user's preference, making this fireplace a functional and practical fixture. The total dimensions of this unit are 41 3/4 inches wide by 19 1/4 inches high by 5 inches deep. The recessed dimensions are 47 1/16 inches wide by 18 inches high by 5 1/8 inches deep, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Do the 60 inches come with a no heat setting? Answer: yes, you can run the fireplace with the heater off or on. Question number 2. Can it be mounted on the wall without cutting the sheetrock? Answer: yes, this fireplace comes with a wall mount bracket and can be wall mounted. Question number 3. Can the colors of flames change automatically? Answer: yes, there is a setting on the Sideline Elite 50 inches fireplace that will cycle through all of the colors automatically. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.